lot of space here. A lot of space here. And this is what they're doing in front of my car. Nobody else's car is getting blocked in like this. They skip it all away from the people and up to the berms, up to the hills where no one's parking. No big hills there, no big hills here. Big hill right here. Big hill right here. So I'm gonna have to dig through that. And boy, wasn't he proud and pleased with himself. Smiling for the camera. All that there. Look at this space where this sidewalk is. Look at this space where nobody's parking. There's no parking spaces here. Years ago, they used to pile it up there. Last year, they used to pile it up there. There's plenty of driving space. Look at all this space. Look at all this driving space. If they made a path, there's lots of snow parking space. There's lots of space over there. There's a whole entire yard of nobody parking there. But instead, they park my car in. Are we getting the picture yet? Number one, they're piling it up right next to my car with 2 more parking spaces filled up. But here's the deal. It's not filled up. Because guess what's back here? They could push another 2 feet. You see that, right? It's not just me seeing them pushing it up against my car. Well, let's go and see if they keep going. Keep digging my car in. All this. Look at this lovely snow blowing job they finally did. They snow blowed. Yay, us. But I'm still stuck in here. Even if I shoveled out my car. I'd have to somehow get a tank and get through that. Line it up with my mirror. Look at what no one else has to deal with. Everyone just needs to shovel out their cars, which is typical for the winter. And now I gotta shovel out my car and everything else.